guys. Thank you so much and enjoy the live. Ayan, magla-live tayo mamaya ulit ng another siguro nga 5 hours yung live ko mamayang gabi. And let's see how gonna work. Ayan, ganun ang gawin natin no sa mga nagla-live ng tawag nito yung silent. Huwag kayong mag-silent. Mas maganda yung screencast na ang gagawin ninyo guys. Kasi nga maganda maraming audience, maraming manonood kaysa yung live, boring kasi yung live. Tapos pinapakita mo lang yung wall mo. Ayan, it's not entertaining. Thank you, Himalayan. I'm gonna watch your video, Himalayan. Okay, done to your video, Pugok. Ayan, thank you so much. Cooking, join. Oh, you can join. You can connect with Miss Linkit's cooking. Okay? Ayan, Himalayan. Wait, Himalayan. I'm gonna check on you. I'm here checking your house, Himalayan. Himalayan, thank you so much, Fugok. I'm here, Himalayan. I'm gonna watch you. Where you from, Himalayan? Himalayan, I'm here. Sir JD Bisorio, maraming salamat, Pugok. Wait lang, Sir JD, I'm gonna play your video here. Si Himalayan muna, dahil na nagmamadali si Himalayan. Ayan. Sa mga nagmamadali dyan, huwag kayong magmadali ha. At saka masisipa kayo. Did you arrive back from New York? Yeah. It's a jet lag, New York. New York is good and nice, very nice. Thank you so much. I do subscribe Himalayan to your channel and I bill all. Thank you, Sir Tom. Please do connect, guys, to Sir Tom Harris of Adelaide, Australia. Oh, here watching Himalayan. Nice, Himalayan. Sa mga Miss Linkits, anong picture man ni Puros. Kanang taas nga video, Miss Linkit mo na i-play, dindot ang taas nga video. No? Nakatindog ba? Ayan. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, Himalayan. Almost done to the video. Ayan. Sa man imong gikuan ay? Sige mag-scroll. Ang mutanaw ba kay sa may tanaw na to ning dahan man kaayo. Ayan, dapat steady lang no yung isang video. I-loop mo lang yung video. Kung walang loop, guys, i-loop ninyo doon sa CapCut. No, i-duplicate nyo lang para mahaba yung video. Ayan, salamat. Done to you, Himalayan. Okay, next, I'm gonna play here. Sir Tom Harris. Ayan, Sir Tom. Good morning, Sir Tom. How are you? Ayan, Slice of Farming too. Thank you so much, Ma'am Slice of Farming. Salamat sa pagdaan sa aking live. Ayan, salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta kagabi sa aking screencast live. Ayan, thank you to my 27,000 viewers last night. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And hopefully, tonight you can come back. come back kayo, come back. Huwag kayong mahiyang bumalik. Ayan, kasi may bago akong video. Hope you can visit me tonight. Ayan, I am going live again tonight via screencast. Thank you, Ma'am Slice. Like 19. Thank you, guys. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Slice. Ayan, wait lang, Ma'am Slice, ha. Puntahan kita sa bahay mo. Ayan, still watching. Ayan, Miss Linkits, almost done to the video. Thank you. Natakot bumalik. Ayan. Thank you, Ma'am Slice. Salamat. Okay. Done. Ayan. Dito ako sa iyong bahay ha. JD Bisorio. Okay. Sisahin naman kayo, no? Lahat kayo ipiplik ko dito. Walang tayong pinipili dito, kundi lahat kayo, I will be playing you all. Okay. Dito sa iyong highlight, Sir JD, your 5-minute video highlight. Ayan. Watching your 5-minute video.